Hello everybody, welcome to our Language Training Center video classroom, and today we will learn new concept English Book 1, Lesson 84. Have you had? Sağlaş yaxshimizlar. Bugungi darsning tafsilotini diqqat qilsanglar. Bugun asosli hamda shu hozirgi bitgan zaman, hozirgi tamomlangan zaman, shuningki hamda shu o'tgan zaman bilan bo'lgan hamda oddiy hozirgi zaman bilan bo'lgan farqini bir mulohaza qilmoqchi hamda shuningda texan bir puxtlab o'tmoqchi. Anda qaranglar, bu yerdagi bir necha ochiqlik so'z bor. Biz shu hozirgi bitgan zaman dedik, o'tmishda ma'lum bir vaqt yuz bergan hamda balki hozirgi davomlashib, hozirgi ta'siri bo'lgan zamanni biz hozirgi bitgan zaman degan to'q. Buningga munosabatli holda already, just deganlar odatda shundan bilan birga keladi. Masalan, bularga qarab baqsak, I have already had lunch. Okay, men allburun tush tamoq yeb bo'ldim. Hamda bu deganimiz hamda bu yerga mening hozir qusqim to'q, hamda bir narsa yemayman degandan darak berdi. Okay. Agar bu o'tgan zaman bo'lsa, I had lunch at 12 o'clock. Men 12 bilan tamoq yedim. Hozir bu hozir bilan hech qanday munosabat yo'q. Faqat shu o'tmishda yuz bergan ma'lum bir ish harakatni ifodalaydi bu yerda. Hozir qusqim ochmi yoki to'qmi, endi hozirga nisbatan hech qanday bir natija qanday qilib bermaydi desang, etkilanmaydi. Demak, u o'tmish. Shunga shuningda sadoshlar bir aniq bir konkret nima qo'yasiz? Masalan, I have already had lunch, I have just had a cup, thank you. Okay, men abaylan bir stakan ichib olgandim. I had already had my holiday this year. Men allburun bu damlashimni o'tkazib bo'ldim degandek. Hamda o'tkazib bo'lsa, ham qanday qilmaydi? Hozir bo'lgan darslar o'tkazmaydi. Demak, hamda hozir shunday ta'sir ko'rsatib keladi. Bu yerga ochiqlik so'zlardan already, just, already hamda mushariki muhim rollarni o'ynaydi. Andaqda bu oddiy demak hozirgi bitgan zamonninki buning savol shakli, buningki inkor shakli qanday yozildi? Masalan, bu jumlaga qarab baqsak, Jimmy has had a cup of tea. Okay. Endi buning savol shakli qanday desanglar, shu have, has, done midi? Have, hasni igining oldiga chiqib etsak nima bo'ldi desanglar, savol shakliga aylandi. Masalan, has Jimmy had a cup of tea? Yoki have, hasning keyniga notni qatib etsak inkor bo'ladi. Jimmy hasn't had a cup of tea. Jimmy hasn't had a cup of tea. Degandek. Okay, number 2, they have had a good time. O'nayte xushal xuram, nayte o'ynadi, shunama. And have they had a good time? They haven't had a good time. Ular qanday qildi? Xushal xuram o'ynamadi. Inkor shu have-ningki oldiga chiqish yoki keyiniga nima qilish bilan munosabatda. Bu xuddi biz ilgari o'rganib o'tgan BPLni oldiga chiqib qo'ysak savolga aylandi. Onun keyin BPLni keyiniga notni qatib qo'ysak nima bo'ldi? Inkorga aylandi. Shuning asosiga o'xshab qoladi. Okay, number 3, Tom has had a haircut. Okay, endi bu Tom chechini yasab bo'ldi. Endi Tom chechini yasabdimi? Bo'shcha, has Tom had a haircut? Tom hasn't had a haircut. Tom chechini yasabmadi. Demak, chechini yasabmadi degan gap yaxshi hozir buning sochlarini o'sib ketdi. Zodi yasatishga muhtoj holatda. Demakchi. Yasatishga muhtoj holatda demakchi. Andaqda practice qilib baqaylik. Bu misollar qaranglar. Have. Bu have-ningki hamda o'z navbati bilan shu nurg'un ma'nolarga. Masalan, I have already had one. Demak, yemak, ichmak, undan keyin chakmak, har xil konkret ismlarni oldiga kelsa, shuni bir fe'llashtirish bir xususiyatiga ega bir fe'l. Endi bu yerga mau have-dan shakilda have nima o'zgaraydi desanglar, had o'zgaraydi. Ayarga I have degan ayning keyini kelayotgani va grammatikalik qurilma u. Grammatikniki intayin bo'yin bo'lgan tarkibi qismi. Chunki hamda bu chandavanchingninki Cümle şekilde elip aytganda avval igis kelidi, igisdan have has kelidi, have hasdan keyin nim kelidi desanglar done şekli. Demek fe'lning o'tgan, tutgan şekli. O'tgan, tutgan degandek, masalan do degan qilmoq bo'lsa did qildi, done qilgan. Go bormoq, went, body, gone, borgan. Yoki ketgan degandek. And my king's milkcha. Okay, for example, I have already had some. Okay. Nima uchun oyada one miyagi some keldi deganda, sanog'i bo'lgan ism bo'lganda one ni qo'ymaymiz. Sanog'i bo'lmagan ism olib kelganda cho'tsanglar some ni qo'yamiz. I have already had some. Okay, endi miyagi have nima cheese. Cheese sanog'i bo'lmaydi-ku. I have already had some. What about peach? Okay, I have already had one. Men bir niyat bo'ldim. Demak, sanog'i bo'lganlarniki, yap bo'ldim. Uni degancha beer. Okay, buni sanog'i bo'lmaydi. I have already had some. I have already had some. Okay. So example, have you had any fruit? Siz mevzu yedingizmi? Okay, yes I have. Well, I got a yoq yemedim bo'lsa. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Demak, oddiy savol jumlaga javob berishmi qanday desanglar, o'xshamaydi miyada. Shu have'ning keyiniga notni qetib qo'ysak inkor bo'ldi. Have you had any fruit? Yes, I have. Have you had any fruit? No, I haven't. Okay, next one. Okay, have you had any vegetables? Okay, and this is sayko'kda deb baxtangizmi? Agar desa, yes, I have. Agar inkor qilmoqchi bo'lsangiz, masalan qaranglar, has she had any meat? No demoqchi bo'lsak, no keladi. Pash Onundakin igisi. Chimo ashadiki she shundami? She hasn't. Hasn't keyiniki. Hisobda notni qo'yiq. No, she hasn't. No, she hasn't. Another one, have they had any drinks? Okay, ular nima? Bir ichimlik ichdimi? Okay, yes, they have. Igisi nima ekan bu yerda? They ekan shundami? Yes, they have. Agar hamda has she had any tea? Ozroq choy ichdimi desa, endi bu yerga igisi he. Yo'q bo'lsa, no, he hasn't. No, he hasn't. Yo'q, u qanaqamidi? Ishmidi degan gap. So answer these questions. Example, have you had any vegetables or fruit? Nima qilib baqdim? Vegetable nima edimi desa. Sayko'kda deydimi yoki mevchimi desa, o nima uchun mevchi yeb tushunami? I have just had some fruit. Okay, I have just some fruit. Has he had any beans or peas? Okay, and miyarga peas yeb tushunami? He has just had some peas. Azraq purchaq edi. Have you had any beer or wine? Okay, I have just had some wine. Men nima azraq wine deydi. Endi mana bu shariki bu yilning asl shakli, o'tgan zamon shakli, o'tgan zamon tarmoqqa undan keyin o'tgan bitgan shakli. Masalan, I do my homework every day. Bu odatda davomli takrorlanib turgan odat xarakterli harakatlarni tasvirlaganda biz oddiy hozirgi zamonni ishlatamiz. Masalan, I do my homework every day. Demak, bu topshiriqni burunmi ishlaydi, hozirmi ishlaydi, yoki ustimi ishlaydi. Demak, hamda bu nihoyatda takror yuz beradigan hisobda bir harakatni ko'rsatadi. Undan keyin hamda bu o'tgan zaman ko'rsanglar, I did my homework yesterday. O'tgan ma'lum bir vaqtda yuz bergan harakat yoki mavjud bo'lib turgan holatlarni ifodalaydi. Masalan, I did my homework yesterday. Men turgan topshiriqimni ishildim. Masalan, men shuncha desam, I have done my homework. Ishtagan. Agar inkor shaklda, I haven't done my homework. Okay, masalan, have you done your homework? She hasn't done her homework. Qanday desanglar, she has done her homework. Bu nimsini ishlab bo'ldi. She hasn't done her homework. Agar ikisi uchinchi shaxs birlik bo'lib qolsa. Demak, hamda he, she, it yoki shunday almash to'g'ri bo'lgan ismlar o'qib qolsa, bunga has keladi. Has keladi. Inkor shakliga notni shu hasn't bo'ladi. Has she done her homework? O topshiriqni ishildimi? Degandek. And then masalan have lunch. Masalan, I have lunch at 12 o'clock every day. Men her günü 12 günü tamamlayayım. Demek ki bu her gün şu şirket kanda davamlıq yüz berip durdu. Agar anda ötken zaman bu qasıyor desən, I had lunch at 12 o'clock yesterday. Men tünügün 12 günü tamamlaydım. And I have had lunch. Yani birge diqqat qıldığan bir noktamız, şende mençinga eniq vaqt elişki bolmaydı. Onun qanda eniq vaqt elişki bolmaydı. Faqat ve faqat nima taxmini vaqt elişki boldu. Mesela since yesterday, yeah, since 2 years ago, since 5 years time. Yeah, no, 2005 degandek. Mesela mançilik vaqtdan buyan degandekçi. Mushlarni nim qilgan gap. Okay, answer. Write the responses using some, one in examples. Okay. Mesela, have some coffee. Have some coffee. Okay, I've already had one. Men Allah burun birini içip olgan. Demek hem bir stakan değil mi? Ama stakanı sana onu buludu. Have a banana. I've already had some. Men Allah burun kandak olgan, azrak yap olgan. Okay, I've already had some. No, banana. I've already had one buluş gerek ha. Hata okapta işe. Mesela have some beer. Boş yo, I have already had some. Sanıqır bolmaydigan qamış aka. Some nişiltimiz. Men Allah burun kanda azrak nimishib bolgan. Hiç bolgan. Okay, have an apple. Bir qalolmayan. Men bir atal yap bolgan emasma. I've already had one. Okay. So have a peach. Of course, I have already had one. Okay, I have already had one. So next one is have some milk. Okay, I've already had some. Demek sanağını bulduğanga on, sanağını bulmayacağına çözsem some. Mesela have a glass of water. Endi çık balık ayıp kaldı da oy. Water degeni sanağında olmaydı. Şuna some dep. Okay. I've already had debe some. Agar endi ma'u ma'noda ikki xil ehtimollar bor. Birga ma'u istakanni o'lchab qo'ygandan nima desanlar? Men bir stakan ichdim desek, I've already had one. Okay. Agar so'l o'lcham qilganim, I've already had some. Bo'ladi. Shuning uchun chiqib o'tadishlarni qaymoqdagi shu. Okay, have a biscuit. Okay, I've already had one. Have some cheese. I've already had some. Men Allah bir nazar qilgan ekan. Okay, and the musharika, have you had any vegetables or fruit deganga? Mush bizdagi mashqdimi babam deb bu jumla shakli. And mush aynı ishiltib javob berdikmiz. Mesela example qaranglar. I haven't had any vegetables. I've just had some fruit. Mush vegetable ne yemedim. Sek ya mevcuni yedim. So has he had any beans or peas? Okay, he hasn't had any beans. He has just had some peas. Peas. Have they had any tea or coffee? Okay. They haven't had any tea. They have just had some coffee. They have just had some coffee. And bular mon bu beşerikni ana inkar qilamiz. Odatda kitob anlamında tırnak açıp beruvchi. Shu tırnak açıp berganda inkar qilsanglar bo'ladi. Mesela, have you had any apples or peach? Okay. You know, I haven't had any apples. I've just had some peaches. Okay, my köplik yani some inkar qilmayapsan, any keladi. So, has she had any beer or wine? Okay, she hasn't had any beer. She has just had some wine. Next. So, he hasn't had any lamb. You know, and the bonus wall check has she had any beer or lamb or beef? Okay. King said, have they had any tea or milk? Allah azrak çay içemdi ya ki süt mü? Ular süt içmeydi. Mesela çay içmeydi desek şu. They haven't had any tea. They have just had milk. They have just had some milk. Okay, milk. So have you had any chicken or steak? So, you know, I haven't had any chicken. I have just had some steak. I have just had some steak degandek. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz mana mushakchi bo'lsin arkadaşlar. See you next time. Goodbye.